Hi everyone, we're going to make Pina Colada overnight oats starting with a fresh pineapple. I've done this before, but I'm going to show you again on the camera how to cut up a pineapple. You cut the top off, you cut the bottom off, and then you stand it up. This is how I do it. Again, you might have a different way. This is just how I do it. I try to not get the eyes, not go deep so I don't lose much of the pineapple. And I just go down the sides, and you'll see that the one part that I keep, if you've watched me for a while, is I keep the core. I'm boiling some chicken broth right now. I'm going to make some brown rice, and I'm going to use that rotisserie or the crock pot chicken that everyone is going nuts for on the internet right now. I'm going to show you a recipe after that I used the leftovers of that chicken. So this is how I clean a pineapple. I'm almost done. I'm going to take this off of the board, hold my pineapple in the container it's going to go in, which is this one. Even though it doesn't look like it's going to fit, it will, because I'm going to be using some. My garbage is over here. Now, this is the important part. Do not throw out your core. If you make smoothies, the core has the most nutrients. So I just cut 4 slabs around the core. And then this is the core. So you take the core and you cut it in 4 or 5 pieces. And I'm going to put them on the lid for now. And I'll tell you what I do with the core. I pop this in a baggie in the freezer, and it becomes, for my smoothies, it becomes the ice cube. The rest of this is the juicy pineapple. Because I'm making overnight oats, I'm going to make some small because they're going to go right in my oats. And I want them to be bite-sized or smaller. I'm a bariatric, post-bariatric person, as most of you know. So I have to have things bite-sized. Should I measure? You want me to measure? I want at least a cup of pineapple and maybe more. I'm going to decide. You know that I don't measure a lot. The new followers, by the way, yesterday I was hoping to see 2,000 followers. I don't know what's going on, but I guess this is called going viral. A crock pot chicken recipe. The last I looked before turning on video just now, it was at 50,000 people watching that. And when I went to bed last night, I had 1,986 followers. I woke up this morning and I just looked and it was 3,000. So I don't know what's happening, but thank you for following. I'm going to put, these are going to be my pineapples for the overnight oats. The rest are going to go in this container for just eating. It's delicious. So for those that are old followers, you've seen me do overnight oat recipes, and my recipe starts the same. It starts the same, and then I change it up. I already forgot one thing out. My vanilla coke. I don't have coconut protein powder. I'm not even sure if they make it, but it would be delicious if they did. I don't know. Pineapple and coconut are I love it. That's been something I loved since, hang on, my chicken stock is boiling. Chicken stock's boiling. I'll go over that recipe later. Chicken stock, I'm cooking the brown rice in. Into this bowl, overnight oats. I gotta get my almond milk. Okay, so I'm gonna put the pineapples in, even though I don't normally do that in the beginning because I want this cup. So my general recipe is 1 cup of Greek yogurt. You can use plain or vanilla. So I start the base the same. 1 cup of yogurt, 1 cup of oats, 1 cup of milk of your choice. In my case today, I am going to use almond milk. I have vanilla flavored almond milk. This is more than a cup, but you know what? I don't care. I want to finish it. This was whole milk, Better Goods, plain yogurt. So I would normally have not put the pineapple in yet till I whisk together the product, but I know this oat recipe comes out delicious. Have you made overnight oats? I mean, it's so easy to get your nutrients in, and especially during the summertime. 1 cup of almond milk, and then in this, I'll use the dry cup measure. I'm sorry, I use the 1/2 cup measurer because that one's so gooky. I don't want to have that go in. So, 1, 1, 1. 1 cup of oats, 1 cup of yogurt, 1 cup of milk of your choice. That is my base. Then you decide what flavor you want. I've done pumpkin pie, I've done apple spice, and I'll start doing them again because I have pumpkin Flav City, this is vanilla Flav City smoothie. I'm gonna do 2 scoops because this is 4 servings when I'm done. It looks big, but if you buy Premier Protein, you would do 4 scoops. I'm also gonna add chia to mine because I like chia and it's protein and it's good for you. So because it's 4 servings, guess how much? I'm gonna do 4. So you can do sliced almonds, you can do nothing. You can do walnuts, pecans, any flavor you like. So in the dry, I'm going to start with a 1/2 cup. This is unsweetened coconut. So we get where I'm going. It's got a vanilla base, but it's got pineapple and coconut. You've seen me do blueberries. That's not gonna work. We're gonna not mess around with waiting for that. You've seen me do a lot of different flavors over the course of last year. And if this goes over into it, I don't care. I'm not a perfectionist. For all the new followers out there, I touch my face. This is my kitchen. I'm cooking for myself. I wash my hands all day. There are people with comments. I tell you, I hear it all. And I see how these poor girls, women, professionals. I'm not a professional. I'm in my kitchen. Now I'm just going to mix this up, move all this stuff out of the way, and I am going to put them in my fancy dancy Temptations cup. So let me mix. It's all mixed, and now I'm going to pour 4 equal servings, or at least try to, into these lidded Temptations glassware dishes. They're sold on QVC. Everyone asks me all the time. I like them especially for this. I use them mostly for this, or if I'm making a little Jello parfait or something for myself, individual servings. This gives me great portion control. And I like overnight oats, especially in the summertime. I've said in the winter I tend to want more warm oats. A lot of people, once I posted the first time I made overnight oats, asked me, do you do it hot or cold? I suppose you could heat them up. I've never done it. I make these so that I can eat them cold as a refreshing breakfast, or sometimes they're just a high protein snack and they're a perfect 3 o'clock in the afternoon snack. They're just about even. This guy can probably take some from here. Yes, I touched my food. This is my kitchen and I am the only one who eats this. So we are going to put the lids on, and I have 4 individual beautiful servings of Pina Colada overnight oats. Hopefully this helps you. I've lost 240 pounds by maintaining portion control and meal prepping for myself. That is why I want to keep it going with this page. And thank you for all of you who just subscribed, like yesterday to today, which is over 1,000 people. I wanted a goal of 2,000, and then last I looked it was 3,000. So I'm like shocked. So I wanted to introduce myself. I do talk a lot. Someone already said that. I talk through the whole thing. That's just who I am. If it's too much for you, if you don't like my talking, if you don't like my recipes, don't watch. If you do, stick with me. Thanks for being with me.